Hey everybody, welcome to Simple Outdoors. Didn't realize it was a snowstorm coming today, but guess what I'm doing today? Yep, you got it, ice fishing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 tents out there. And more people coming. Good ice out there from yesterday. Report said 7 to 8 inches. So now we just have to go and find a spot. I like to go out and to the left where all those tents are. So when I get set up, I'll bring you back. I don't know if you can see the tents without the zoom, but I'll bring you back when I'm set up out there. Well, I have a one-man flip over. It's the Eskimo one-man. And I got out here and my heater will not start. I tried for at least an hour. I think it got too wet. I caught a couple of perch already, but it's a little chilly. I got a couple extra batteries here, so we're just gonna go with the flow. So I got a little jig here with a minnow on it. I got the underwater camera. I got the sonar, but there's not a lot of room in here. It's a little chilly out today without that heater. Might need a new minnow on. But I got the Monster salted caramel. We'll hold that there and I'll show you. Got the 5-pound tank, heater, some pockets. That, got the hole there, that there with the rods. I got a little got rods up there, pockets right there. Got a camp chair, my rod case, tackle bag, bucket with my lunch bag, extra mittens, drinks, my cordless drill to drill the holes, the augers outside. Might need a new minnow, so let's try a new minnow. Put some fish food, some calamari, some fish pellets down there just to chum the water a little bit. Bring them in. Only caught a couple of tiny perch, but we'll see. Don't have the aerator in. So I forgot the batteries. I can plug it into the pocket charger with a USB, but you're not going to be able to see the screen. The water is not very clear, even though it's only 3 feet away. But we'll just let it run and see what happens today. Pretty windy out there. I'll check the weather here. It's 26 Fahrenheit, snow showers. Got about 8 inches of ice here. It's pretty good. Just trying to get this heater to go. a new minnow on there. Perch is coming to get it. Oh. These are kind of tiny perch. Gonna have to wait until a larger school of them comes in. Oh, one's got it, but not the hook. They're small. Well, I got the heater going. The hose wasn't in all the way, so it wasn't engaging the valve. Alright, let's get back down there. Oh, one bit. Might have too big of a minnow on. I got one. Oh, came right off. Little guy. Goes right back in. Oh, that looks like a big one. Boom! Ah. That's a big one right there. Come on. Got him. Oh. Oh, he got my cord. He got my camera cord. Okay, there he goes. A decent sized one. Wrapped it right around that, didn't he? There. Alrighty. That's what happens when you have the camera too close to the hole. That was at least a 8 or 9 inch perch. Good keeper, eater size. Let's see if it's there it is, right there. Go up. There. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's kind of murky down there. And it's a cheap camera too. Oh, I got it. Oh yeah. Not bad. Nice one. Right there. Alrighty. Back he goes. I don't eat much fish, so there we go. Back down. Bigger bait means bigger fish. Water's really murky, 3 feet away, and the camera can't see much. Well, I'm taking a break and making some coffee. Some hot coffee. Oh. That'll take a while. Just let that boil up. Definitely getting warm in here. And I got wet naps. There. Come on. I got one. Oop. Go right off the hook. In you go, fella. Come on, bite it. Oh, he took my minnow. That's a nice one right there. Not bad, that's some good eating right there. Well, coffee is ready and very, very, very hot. I'm not even going to try it yet. Well, I caught a few decent perch today. It's going to get dark in about an hour and a half. The buddy heater, I got a little grill here that I bent up where it would just rest right on there. I can do hot pockets and everything in there. While I was drinking my coffee, caught another small one. I'm in shallow water, that's the problem. They're all out deeper. A little windy out there. It's 26 Fahrenheit, I just checked. Not bad out, just a little windy. I don't think this will be a very exciting video, but still fun to get out, and I love taking you all with me. It's the first ice of the season, so with all of the traffic out here and with the ice forming in under a week, the fish are probably stunned. Because it was really warm the week before, and we had that Arctic weather for about a week, which got this ice pretty good. Yeah, you're on the shelf, so it's probably wobbly with the wind. Could probably put you on the ice, but some nice hot coffee. They're pretty small today. If the other boat launch wasn't snowed in, I would have gone out there. Usually have better luck over there. In you go. It's a slow bite today. Should turn back on in a couple of weeks after the warm-up. Still fun and relaxing to get out. A lot of people do camping overnight in the bigger tents. I got one. I just don't have a cot. If I got a cot, I could probably do that once the ice is a little thicker. Well, caught another one. About a 7-incher. Not bad. I do a lot of 99% catch and release. I hooked him pretty good. There it is. Back he goes. Another one. They're all about 7-8 inches. This is a really small tent. Next time I'll bring the 2-man or the 4-man tent, and I can use the tripods and everything. Oh, little guy. So this is me in the 1-man Eskimo flip over. Yeah, just a couple of small ones picking at it. The larger fish are out deeper. This is probably only 8 feet deep right here. Usually like to get out to 15 at least, but deepest part of the pond is like 16 feet. It's all sandy bottom with a couple of weeds and rocks. That's about it. So I got a lot to pack up. I want to do that and get back to the boat launch before it gets dark. So I think I'm gonna fish for a few more minutes and start packing up, and I'll bring you guys back when I do that. Well, I'm all packed up. Time to go. Well, it was a fun day. I'm just going to drag the heavy sled back to the car. And thank you for joining me here on Simple Outdoors for some ice fishing. Some better ice fishing is going to be coming soon in the next few weeks. But thanks for joining me on Simple Outdoors. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, everybody.
There's a place where I go when I'm feeling this way. I go along all by myself. It's so far back you couldn't find it anyway. Way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotty pines fade away.
Too cold for you guys out here. Let's go home.